Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about Wipro. What to do in Wipro, and we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer: this is only educational video. Also, a little word about me. Alright, so here we have a weekly chart of Wipro. This is around 2 year of data, and we are using Ichimoku along with 50 EMA to support my analytic. And we'll look into RSI first. RSI, okay, so RSI in the weekly chart suggests that RSI is continuously well below 30 and it started moving up. Okay, so when it started moving up, this is a positive sign, and it looks like Wipro is bottomed out here. Okay, so we can see RSI is bottoming here. So now Wipro is around 423 rupees. So if it comes down little low, something around 410 or 415, that becomes a buying opportunity Wipro, and the target looks like to be 440 and 475. This looks like a short-term target, like that may come in 2 to 3 months only. So that's how it looks like. We'll look little detail into daily chart. So this is our daily chart around 6 month of data, and here also we can see it, the bottoming is done here, and the next level of resistance comes out to be in the daily chart also on the 440. So in the weekly and daily chart, both the places resistance look at the same price. So that seems that yeah, once it's moving up, it may go to 440, 475. So that's how it looks like. We look little more in terms of mutual fund holding, which is continuously increasing, not much, but yeah, continuously increasing. Okay, in terms of mutual fund scheme, there are around 200 plus schemes who kept money into Wipro. So this is a very good allocation. In terms of detailed allocation, almost 10% done by many mutual fund schemes. So that looks very good, very confident from the mutual fund industry. So yeah, I'll conclude here on this note. So yeah, that's all for today. At 410 we can buy, 440, 475, these looks as a selling opportunity or target. It may go further up also, but this is like a 2 to 3 month target I'm expecting. So that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.